Hello, my pretties. So is it even possible to be an overnight success story? You know, that commercially digestible shit that they try to tell you about, you can't be an overnight success. If somebody's offering that to you, then it's not possible. Run the other direction. I kind of wonder if they're trying to sell us against overnight successes. Is it because that's their way of, I don't know, keeping us back and keeping us obedient workers for the rest of our life? Maybe. I don't know. But here's what I do know. So as for my story and others I've read about, I became an overnight success. That is, if you count the 2.5 years I worked my ass off leading up to that, but then I came to a point where literally overnight, or the course of a day, I decided I don't need a job anymore. I'm free. That happened in February of 2010. The journey started in August of 2007, so that's 2.5 years. And then finally I came to a point where literally overnight I was a success. Didn't need the job anymore. Could have hung on to it if I want. Actually, my story is I never found work again since my last job was offshore to India for cheap labor, or cheap whatever. I had to keep looking, but for me, I just, called off the job search. Man, talk about a weight being lifted off of my shoulders. So yeah, hell yeah, I became an overnight success after 2.5 years of busting my ass and in my precious minutes of spare time, about 20 minutes a day, that's all I had. And that's important because everyone's busy. So you want to create your own success story? Something to do with natural health, natural healing, get away from pharmaceuticals maybe, safely with your doctor's approval, but natural health and residual wealth. You want to create your own overnight success story that you're willing to put an upfront investment of time and effort into, even if it's just 20 minutes a day, then feel free to reach out to me. Just private message me, or you can respond in this thread. And I wrote a beautiful blog that I typed out. It takes about 10 minutes to read it, and you can see if you see something that turns you on and just titillates you into something that you want to do for yourself. Okay? Bye for now. Oh, my website, if you want to, I got tons of blogs about this kinds of stuff, but lots of content. It's tombirkenmeyer.com, just like it's spelled here in social media, tombirkenmeyer.com. But reach out to me one-on-one instead, or in addition to. Bye for now.